Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use automation on your Dropbox account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Dropbox, and some files and images that we will be manipulating with the automation process. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go to Dropbox. Click on this now, go to Dropbox.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Click on Account. Go to Automations. This will take us directly to the Automation section. And let's just say we now want to convert files to PDFs. Click on this. And now let's start the automation. When files are added to, let's just say an existing folder, CSV, select the folder, and then convert all supported file types to PDF. That's fine. Now click on Save. So now let's go to all files. Let's now go within the CSV folder, upload a file. We will be uploading october.docx. Click on upload. That file has been uploaded. Now we will see the automation occur in real time, and there we have it. October.docx has been converted to PDF. And therefore, using the automation process, we have converted a document to a PDF in real time through the system without the requirement of physically doing this ourselves. And this is the future automation, artificial intelligence using machine learning, robotic processes to complete the task without the requirements for humans to be physically there. We can now quit Safari. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.